Ever feel like an ATM scavenger hunt is your least favorite hobby? You're out and about, wallet feeling a little light, and suddenly the urge for a venti iced latte, or your drink of choice, strikes. You know you have the funds in your Sofi account, but finding an ATM that doesn't devour your hard-earned cash and fees can feel like navigating a financial maze. Fear not, fellow Sofi user. Because today, we're cracking the code on finding fee-free Sofi ATMs and maximizing the money-saving potential of your Sofi debit card. So ditch the frantic ATM searches and the mystery fees. By the end of this video, you'll be a Sofi ATM pro, withdrawing cash with confidence and keeping more green in your pocket for that latte, or whatever your vice may be. Here's the ATM landscape with Sofi. Sofi itself doesn't have its own physical ATMs. But that doesn't mean you're stuck with outrageous fees every time you need cash. Sofi has partnered with a massive network called Allpoint, boasting over 55,000 ATMs worldwide. That's a lot of latte funding potential, scattered across the globe. Finding your Sofi ATM oasis. There are two main ways to find your fee-free Sofi ATM oasis. The Sofi mobile app. This is your one-stop shop for all things Sofi, ATMs included. Log into your Sofi checking and savings account within the app. Look for the More tab and then tap on Find an ATM. Voila! The app will use your location to display a map teeming with nearby Allpoint ATMs. The Allpoint ATM Locator. If you prefer a web-based approach, you can visit the Allpoint ATM Locator directly, Allpoint ATM Locator. This website functions similarly to the Sofi app's locator, allowing you to search for ATMs by zip code or address. Pro tip alert! Save your favorites, found an Allpoint ATM you frequent. Both the Sofi app and Allpoint Locator allow you to save favorite ATM locations for quick and easy access later. No more scrambling when the latte craving hits. Beyond the app, recognizing your Sofi ATM in the wild. While the app and website are fantastic tools, sometimes you just stumble upon an ATM in your travels. How do you know if it's a glorious fee-free Allpoint ATM ready to dispense your Sofi cash? Look for the Allpoint logo. It's usually prominently displayed on the ATM itself. Out-of-network ATMs, a fee frenzy to avoid, if possible. So we've covered the amazing world of fee-free Allpoint ATMs. But what happens if you're stuck and the nearest ATM isn't part of the Allpoint network? Well, brace yourself for potential fees. Sofi's policy. Sofi itself won't reimburse you for out-of-network ATM fees on Sofi checking and savings accounts opened after June 9, 2020. Accounts opened before that date may have different policies, so check with Sofi directly if you're unsure. The ATM operator's fee. On top of any potential Sofi fees, the ATM operator themselves might charge a withdrawal fee. This fee will usually be displayed on the ATM screen before you complete your transaction. So be sure to check the fee amount before hitting confirm to avoid any surprises. The bottom line, plan your ATM adventures. While the occasional out-of-network ATM withdrawal might be unavoidable, with a little planning and the handy Sofi app or Allpoint Locator, you can make fee-free ATM access your financial reality. Remember, every penny saved is a penny earned, or a penny closer to that delicious latte. So get out there, explore the world of Sofi ATMs, and keep more money in your pocket for the things that matter most. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.